I think it's really important for corporates to collaborate. Yes, we may be competitive with one another, but ultimately, first of all, the marketplace is huge. 2, we cannot do it alone. 3, we need to continuously push the edge, and it's only by sharing information that we can actually do that together. And 4, we absolutely need to have an impact. The world is changing, our climate is changing. We have to do something, and so it's vital for us to do it together. And I will say that it's not just the corporates, it's actually the public sector as well. So it's really public-private partnerships that need to be formed so we can really move things together, and that's how we're going to have impact.
By working with others, we're able to find connections. Like take today, for example, being at IEEE, we're able to make connections that I hadn't even thought about before, just in a brief conversation. We're able to see new pathways to new opportunities and new ways of saving time, saving energy, and making a much, much better experience for the end user. And that's really what this is all about. So collaboration, I think, is absolutely crucial.
Sustainability is good for business, and it's good for business because it helps our customers, our partners, their customers, their partners do better in the world, respond to the challenges that we face as a global society. And that's what I think is most important for us to look at in terms of leveraging data, in terms of leveraging the cool innovations that are happening, the things that are coming from startups, the ones that not even are formed yet, to drive action and ultimately turn sustainability ambition into action.